your body language. See, we conversating, watching how you move. Yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We taking turns when I play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position.
Thank you, Ate, for helping.
I'm still putting cheese on.
Luto na ang ating spaghetti, guys. Ayan, marami pang cheese yung naiwan.
For the cousins! After this, are we gonna dress?
Yes, you have to dress up soon. What's the time, be? Guys, video call kami ng aking sister, guys. It's now 12:44. Ayan. So, alis kami dito sa bahay around maybe 5:30. That's fine. So, we still have time. Ang ating baby Celine ay natutulog at the moment. So, she's having a nap. Kaya nagka-times man na magluto nito. Ayan. So, tatlong ganito lang, guys. Kasi dami namang ano eh.
And I may finish the cheese that's on the plate. Look at the cheese.
Yes, I have a lot. Put some here na. Oh, on this side.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. So, ayan na. Yan yung dalhin natin. Tapos, ito yung mangga na binili ni Daddy Mike from Woolies. The other night, hindi. Last night pala to siya binili. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Grabe.
Mike, can you hold the plate so I can pick it up?
What's the magic word, Paris?
Please.
There you go. You put it here. Make sure you cover here lang, oh. There. So, ayan. Ilan ba to? 15. 15 ata to. Very nice. Kinain namin isa kahapon. Ay, kagabi pagka-uwi. Sobrang sarap, guys. Very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. And then, yung aming mga gift ay hindi pa na, plastada. Plastada. Ako yung nag-organize dito sa dalawang babae tapos si Daddy Mike. Yan, papasok pa yan dyan. Tapos si Daddy Mike dyan para sa dalawang lalaki na nabunot namin. So, yeah. Hello again, guys! It's now 4:30 ng hapon. Ow!
You know what that is?
Mike is tricking.
The lotion is?
Yeah.
The blue bottle? The
Mama.
tan?
Oh, what? I know. You didn't mean it, did you? Nakabihis na kaming lahat, guys. So, ito yung aming pa-outfit for tonight. Yeah. Ito kay Baby Celine. Show your outfit. Look. Well, Merry Christmas. Ayan, my Mickey Mouse. And then, this is Mommy's. Come here, ate. This is Mommy's. Yung shorts.
And what is that?
Ang shorts, ayan, dyan. Come on, babe.
Okay, come over here. I'll show Daddy.
Daddy will come. Daddy will come as well. Come here. Ate Paris's outfit is this. Come here, Mama.
Preparation.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wow!
We're matchy-matchy. Kung meron lang sanang ganito
Because
na...
look at my shirt.
Yeah.
And my shirt.
The same.
Mike, can I have that?
Kung meron ganito na pang baby, ay bibilhin talaga namin. Pero wala eh. Ito nga, oh. Medyo malaki pa kay Ate Paris. Oh. Pero buti na lang may naiwan. The very funny thing is, kay Daddy Mike, navy blue yung kulay sa kanya kasi hindi man ganito yung kulay sa panglalaki. So, I got him a medium size. Alam niyo ba, pag-uwi namin dito sa bahay, pagtingin ko sa shorts, ang shorts ay XL. So, sobrang laki ng kanyang shorts. So, Daddy Mike will just wear his, his short. Kasi, meron siguro nag-exchange niyan ba? Merong nag-exchange niyan sa, tawag dito, sa shop. So, meron sigurong may, may kailangan ng maliit. No, my love. No more chocolate. Hi, you had chocolate already.
Just one more.
Wait, we'll have a lot of chocolate later when we go to Tatayan, guys.
Are you going to their house?
Okay, yes lang.
What? That's a long
Kiss Mama.
drive.
Kiss Mama.
My dad's a long drive.
Diyos ko,
My dad's a long drive. My dad's a long drive.
Yeah, I know. But we're going soon. We're just waiting for Daddy. Daddy is still getting ready.
Okay.
Pupunta pa kami ng Kmart ata. Yung Kmart, magko-close sila ng 6 o'clock. Tonight. Kasi,
Mine.
bibili pa kami ng pang regalo.
I want to go to Christmas house. Wait.
We are going. So, ayan. I curled my hair for tonight. Ayan. Very comfortable lang kasi.
I want to go to Nanay Christina's house.
We will. Kasi doon tayo matutulog. Hindi tayo uuwi mamaya. Doon tayo matutulog. So, pantulog na to. Straight na to pantulog ang aming suot, nak, no? High five. High five! High five! High five!
Celine, high five.
Meron siyang pa-hat, oh. Pero ayaw man yung suotin. Do you want this hat? Do you want this hat? Woohoo! Ayan. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell, the bell. Ay. Jingle bell, taini sa bell. Giputo sa papel, gikubel-kubel.
My arm's ready. I mean, match.
Daddy, come here, Daddy, so we can...
I don't know.
Why did you change?
What do you mean? Undies?
Mm.
Because so I don't see for.
Huh?
So you can't see through my shorts?
Ah, yeah. Maganda dapat talaga sana guys kung yung suot ni Daddy Mike na shorts ay yung pang Christmas din. Kaya lang sobrang laki talaga.
I
Hindi
haven't
talaga
seen it
magkasya
because I haven't been able to open it, remember?
Bam 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 bam.
No, but you can't show me.
We have to
Christmas.
cut it.
It's a surprise, remember?
We have to cut that.
For tomorrow.
Come here lang. Kay Daddy's coming lang. So we're gonna show Tita and Tito our
No.
family outfit.
No.
No. No. Guys, nandito na ang
He's
ating
gonna get
Daddy
my
Mike.
salad ready.
Whoopsie.
Come here, Mom. Let's show the outfit quickly ba? Ito yung kanyang t-shirt. Oh. Sabi dito,
Listen to me.
Daddy, and then sa akin dito, Mommy, and then kay Paris, Minnie. And dito, Mickey Mouse. Ang Mickey Mouse! Alright, so wag sobrang init. Uy, I'm sweating.
Mine.
Ha?
Can we go?
Baby nga, Lini, oh. Nagkaka-shower lang, ah. She's sweating.
Merry Christmas. We wish you
So we'll just get everything ready now so we can go. I love you, sweetheart. I love you. This is going to be very, very exciting, guys. It's our first time celebrating, like, with my family. First Christmas namin dito sa Brisbane. So, gonna be really, really nice. Don't bite, Mama. Kalabas na kami. Is it raining? It was raining. Not anymore. Hey, Langla. Show me your outfit, please. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Oh, hello. Say hi, honey. Selene. Where's your friend here? There, up there. Come here now, honey. Come here now. Sleepy na yan. Siya na yung...
I think she's excited.
Huh?
I think she's excited.
Yeah, she's just sleepy. Excited and sleepy. Paris, just let her first now.
Sorry.
It's okay. You, Kailing? Kanak, can you hold this one for a bit, na? Hey, hold. Show Mama and Celine. Okay.
Say hi, Mai.
Hello.
Say hi. No, to the camera.
Hi.
So that made it very, very crazy.
Celine! Anak, what are you doing? This is your seat here. That's Ate Paris's anak. Hala, tingnan nyo, nangilog. Hala, tang-tang pag ang edban. Baba! Baba! Hey! It's your seat! Okay, I'm gonna turn it on now. Look! 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 Excited. Hello! Come here! Come quick! Ang nawong. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sweating talaga guys. Sabi kahit ako. Oh. Bunga to nak, bunga.
What is that?
It's a fruit. Okay, move na here. Move na, come on. Come on.
What are you doing? Where did you go?
A few moments later.
Time check guys. It's now 6:30.
We're here.
And we're here. We just arrived.
That's what I said.
Kaka-park lang namin.
Christina?
There's one excited girl here. Excited? And baby Celine's still there. So, tingnan nyo. Andun na sila, oh. Ano na sila. Tingnan nyo, mga tent sa labas. Oh, diba? And then, may silang pa-lights doon. Oh my God! Excited! We're gonna get things out. Tingnan nyo guys. Daddy might clean the car. Have a look. It's spotless. It's amazing. Thank you, Daddy. But now, because he's OCD, guys. And she's like,
This is for
I got this
Kyra.
drink. Oh, really? That's very kind of you, honey. Pinapalabas niya talaga. Pinapadala niya sa akin to. So, ayaw niyang paiwan dyan. Kasi, ayan, kailangan daw malinis. 6:33 na.
Let's go.
Let's go, come on. Hi, Anton!
Hello. Merry Christmas. Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, love your outfit.
Hey, how you going?
For Kyra.
For Kyra. Oh, your friend's there. Hey, I'll be right back. Okay.
Lingling! Tingnan niyo, oh. Alalala. Relax pa yan. So, iiyak mo naman yan. I think she's gonna cry there.
Kyra's there. Let's let her walk.
Oh, fun, huh?
Let her walk there, you know?
Yeah. Okay. Shall we? Yeah, I think the food, the presents, I think we can keep it here for now. Hello! Careful, Hati. Careful, Hati. Lini, we're here, anak. You're here, princess. Hi. Dadalhin lang muna namin yung mga pagkain. Tingnan nyo yung mga pagkain.
What's this bag?
Pagkain, everything. Hala naman. Baby. She's watching. Say hello, Tita Nak. Tita is here. Say Merry Christmas.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
look.
Hi.
Ayun niya, very focused siya. Eh. Focus na focus. Bye. Hello, come here.
Ay.
Ay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Paano mo na yan siya? Okay. Iiyak. Lumayas na. Oh, nandun na sa kanyang friend. Gonna carry Celine, Bob?
Huh?
Okay. Tingnan niyo.
What?
I'm gonna carry Celine. Bakit I'm gonna carry Celine? So, ayan guys. Oh. Kung pupunta ako ng, kay Mart, pinili ko rin ito for Celine. Regalo din sa kanya. Ayan din for her. Oh. Okay. So, let's go. Ayaw man suotin ni Baby Celine. Si Mama na lang magsuot. Oh. Mama na lang magsuot. Yan. May nagbitbit na ng mga pagkain tsaka mga madalahin namin yun, guys. Ayan, nandito pa kami sa sagbutan. Ay. Ayan sila. Okay. We'll just put it here for now, Knock. And then we'll just get them to take that, okay? Okay. Okay. Hello. Hala, anong meron doon? Nag-ano talaga sila para mag-karaoke eh? Hi!
Can I have that?
Of course I can. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, baby. Basta pugon baka magalak na. Hi, Tita. Merry Christmas.
Christmas. Hello, baby. Merry Christmas. Ah, nakaroon. Merry Christmas, guys.
Turo, oh. Wow. Ah, bongga na video kay Andre day. Ano video kay Andre diri ti? Na, tanda na. Na, 5 po yung taga ka na 5? Oh, libre. Oh, piso ra ay mayo.
Kimchi.
Hi, tita. Hala, tulo pa more. How are you, tita?
Hi, hello.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Ano sabihin tawag ganin mo, tita? Sa man siya lang magtita mo siya, tita
Nanay.
mo. Kaya nanay ka, kaya bahala masakit yung likod. Nanay? Hoy! Oh, daddy, put the presents there.
Very done.
Oh no, there's more there. There's two. Why do you play with the Paris? Wow! Oh, careful! Whoop! You okay?
She's alright. I think she'll be alright because there's sand here.
Yeah. How are you, Kara?
Good.
Good.
I'm just playing with
It's okay. Look at the Paris. They're playing.
Okay. You can play with me.
Hmm. Did you get the presents, Bob?
Wait, that's the under the rock. Yeah, that's the under.
Stay here, Selene.
Stay here, anak.
What about we teamwork?
Behold, Mama.
Open
Hold, Mama. Come on. Oh. Look here.
Oh, that's for sure. Let's go.
Here. No. We go upstairs. Mama's gonna put the bag upstairs. Sila yun.
Look at the presents.
Yeah. Ayan na ang mga presents. Ay, kabongga naman talaga. Ayo. Who's that? Tata Edgar.
Not baby. Oh, do.
How are you, Tita?
Mike?
How are you?
Oh, outside.
Hello.
Hello, Merry Christmas. It's okay.
Pagbutang dito sa yung kwarto. Oh.
Wa man. Ay, dito na ka ba ta?
Dito lang na para makuan ayaw bilin sa.
Ah, okay. Asa man dito? Second floor?
Para may nakailan sa imo.
Kinsa?
Ato amigo na patrabaho din siya sa Kinan kanina, bayo.
Really?
Oh, ang iyang amiga gatanaw sa mo vlog.
Ah. Di pag-hi sila to. Kasi
Ti Joy? Na si Ate Jobe, akong ipasunod iyang bag.
It's
Oh no, cry.
my love.
Ano mo rin si
It's okay.
Julia?
Oh, thank you to. Knock knock. Ako na ang Brianna, makikita niya.
Ulati na lang. Para ma.
Oh, okay. Bakit akong tiyan? Ate Paris helping. Good girl. Ayan. Medyo marating pa. Baby, can you put this in your pocket, please?
Put in the bag.
Put it in the pocket because we might have to grab something in the car later. You helping, Te? The girl. Nak, manay, Christine, nak. Here. Hello, manay. Ah.
You walk around.
Ito na ang kanilang mga ano guys, oh. Ay, hindi man kita eh. Hindi man kita. Oy, ngit-ngit. Ngit-ngit pas. Ngit-ngit pas alkitran. Ha?
Kana ba? Kanang karaoke pa paandara og kanang Christmas song.
Hala, ako sa rin mo ako kabaluan. Kasi may kona ni. Kasi may DJ.
What can say DJ?
Anthony, I think. Oh, Andre.
Jay.
Do you know how to do this thing?
Asa?
You put
Music.
Merry Christmas.
Na, ginoko, di ko kabalo.
Oh, baga din.
It's Anthony's.
Oh, hindi!
Merry Christmas. Magbalik sa amin sa balay kay napay si Anjuan. Ito yun. Hello, Merry Christmas everyone! Merry Christmas! Yay!
Joan.
Ito apa dito? Kaya na, sige.
sige.
Yung cake ba? Alat mo na si Antonio.
Ay, biyana ka.
Mo balik siya, mo balik.
Ang bata. Ang bata. Hi lang. Hi lang. Wala, dami ng pagkain. Wala, kulang ang kanilang
Food. Table. It's not enough the table for the food.
I think let's separate mo siya.
Separate na lang sa table. Asan itong table ganiya dito? No table.
What are you after? Pipe, huh?
We want to draw. Yeah, but Eric wants to draw.
Do you want to draw? Kind of.
That me too. The part I'm just waiting for is to open the presents.
I know,
I'm
right?
just waiting for that.
So that's Paris. You excited to open your presents, lang?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow now? We'll have some tonight.
Just some.
Yes,
And tomorrow we'll have so many. I'm having a Switch and a Magic Mixie. How do you know? Because I see that.
She peeped.
No, that's okay.
That's alright. What else is here? Oh, just put it here. And Daddy put it on the thing. Just put it here because it's for... Actually, put this in. Joy, can I put this in the room, Joy? It's for everyone right there. Okay, we'll just... Ito, hindi pa makita yung aking outfit kanina. So, dito kami stay sa room ni Joy tonight. Sila sa labas na mag-tent. This is our outfit for tonight. Very comfy.
But I think I've seen something.
Colleen's there. Ta, okay na magtubig na ta? Mga yun, good. We'll give Celine water. Lang water lang? Yeah. Baby. Baba girl. Hey, water. Water. Okay. Drink water? Not really. Wow, good girl. Good job. It's okay. Drink more water. Drink more water. Good girl, drinking water. It's better now, kasi may light na. Kanina madilim.
Ready na?
Wow, grabe.
Parang igong mo nang sanina.
Kami rin, sus, komportable kami. After dali, tulog dito.
Ayaw ko pag-guess for siguro.
Hindi kayo gano'n?
70 ang top lang. Hinala ati ba? Kani lagi. 70 na? Ay? 70. Nakakita mi natin Joy. 70 niya to na.
Ano pa eh?
Barato na mo tong wala mi ni palit. Sa kuan yung taon ni sa Valley girl, barato ra kaayo.
Wala yung kita yung anak dito, te.
Wala ba? Sa city?
Kay March, umagay mo yun?
Diri sa garden.
Kenzie?
Kani diri. Oh, just rani in tawo sa Valley girl. Sayang. Nasayang. Dili ate kay ano ang pag-ingon pag suroy lagi sa city.
Suri-suri, pagpanalag sa dati. The lechon is here! Woohoo! Woohoo! You're right lang?
Parang wala nang balat na ta.
Kinain na ni Nat. Excited kasi sila na si Nat na. Looks like a wedding. Looks like a wedding. This is your advanced reception, Nat. Wedding.
No, Tita Elizabeth and Papa.
Oh, gani. Advanced na.
Uy, kids!
Hello. Oh, have a look at your hair. Wow. That looks cool. Hi, Nat.
How are you?
Merry Christmas.
It's not yet Christmas.
Oh, soon. In a few hours.
Oh, let's go na.
Plug!
Napayham.
Nagnisi man ang baboy dito.
Smile. Damo. Damo kay nga lechon.
Namuumo ang simod. Marites siguro rin. We're here.
Oh, this is it.
3 minutes to Christmas. Gising na gising ang aming baby
Dinner time, dinner time.
girl.
Dinner time.
Hello. We are doing the presents, guys.
Would you do?
At 12.
I just said that.
So, wallahi.
Nagising ang ating baby girl, oh, kasi naririnig niya yung mga ano sa labas. Ang ating ate Paris, tingnan nyo. Very gising na gising pa.
No. If you guys want to help, like,
Just
Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday, Jesus!
Paris! Paris! Paris!
He's 2022 years old.
Paris, it's Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Paris!
Merry Christmas.
Hi! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Johnny. 5 years ago.
Teacher John from Tugadi's family.
Merry Christmas. No, move out of my way.
John from the Tugadi's family.
Ah, wow! Bongga! Mardagan pa! Mardagan na imo, away! Unsa man yun naman? Paboritisim man eh! Paboritisim! Paboritisim! Duha na iya!
To Ate Joe.
Amalia.
From, I don't know who this is from. Uncle Johnny from the Tagadi fam. Uncle Johnny.
Uncle Johnny! Yes, Papa! Johnny! Yes, Papa!
Thank you, Ninang Johnny. Shukran. Thank you, Ninang Edgar. Oh, it's not Ninong, it's Daddy. Thank you, Manoy.
We got one for Anthony from Secret Santa, Uncle Charles. Uncle Charles.
Wow! Lagi, wes, haba! Dili magsaba ang sabi no.
Saba man galing ka imong gitanaw.
Our next one is
Ay! Hala! Ano magapalan away ka?
Secret
Yeah! Wow!
What does it say in the card?
What did he say?
Tip Harris, you deserve a Christmas filled with all your favorite things. Enjoy your Christmas with your family. We love you. Your Secret Santa, Andre. Tito Andre.
Is that from Andre?
Yes.
Can you put this down?
Yes. Put it down.
I'm gonna make my post. For the Castro family. I got mine. I'll show Anthony. I'll show Anthony. Hi, Anthony.
Yeah.
The white one.
This is my gift.
Ay, sus, Dawat linya.
Oh, can I see your present? Mother dear. What? I have another present.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God, what?
Wow, good job. Hakot mo na.
I think that one's Celine. That one's definitely. From your honey and bar.
Wow! Honey! Honey, my love, so sweet.
Tapos kita sa tunang ani ni kaon dagdagan oy.
Taro gid nga ikaw nakit-kit ana ba?
Kaya gid. Kaya kita ni. Ingon din ang mga fans niyo mga sus naman di.
Puriyag ba niya ana oy? Kita man pud sa lawas ba?
Ya tira. Mayat kambi ako.
Wa na panit guys. Murot na panit.
Panit sama.
Ibit-bit na yung panit eh. Isunod nagbulsa dito.
Iwit mangutag.
Para taking. Yan, kainan na. Come here, come here. Ayan, dessert na lang guys. Grabe, naumay ako sa lechon eh. Hinihintay ko na lang na matulog itong batang ito eh. Kasi it's already 9 o'clock. It's her bedtime. Come here, mama!
You got the top button.
See you looking at map.
La la la.
I know that's top.
Just photo bombing. You can do the other end lang. Go, go. Okay, sige. Paris will do it.
You both do it. You
I
both
feel
do it.
like I'm gonna win.
Yeah. Who's gonna win?
Stop, wait.
Yeah!
Yay! Cara won!
What'd you get? What is that?
Can I see? Yeah, you can have one. Oh.
It was like 19 photos.
There's no chance. There's one. Paris, look! Paris, look! I like this one.
May papinyata na silang nalalaman. Oh.
The same street, but on the other side, there's like a drug road there. Yeah, they saw him over there. One of the corners.
Big hit. Come on, come on. Big one. Don't, no looking, Paris.
Yeah, but I picked you up.
Come on, you got another try.
Okay, give it. Okay, careful, Eddie.
Oh!
Okay, Gareth's turn.
Run!
Joy, that's newly washed, Joy, huh? Joy? That's newly washed?
May aching pa yan.
Yeah.
Iron car's gonna fuck shit up.
Come on, Kara! Hey, chill! It's still alive, man!
Woo!
That's a lot of 3 times, man.
2 times 100.
I believe in you.